G'day guys, got Ninja and Tash here.
Hey guys.
So today we're going to do a bit of MOXA and then a little bit of treatment on a spot on Tash's knee. So we're reversing the order. We did a video, we did my ankle and we did some treatment then MOXA. We're going to try the other way around. So I've already lit up the stick to save time. So tell me exactly where, Tash?
This inner,
Just
around
in there?
here.
Yeah, so underneath the kneecap
Yeah,
there, right there.
Yeah.
You feel the heat?
Yeah, it feels great.
So what I'm going to get you to do is, I'm about 1 centimetre away from the knee. You tell me when it gets hot, when it starts to burn.
Hot.
Just give it a quick tap and then we'll go straight back to that same spot. So it gets a little bit quicker each time. So it gets full of heat.
Hot.
And it can be quite diagnostic. So I'm going to go just a little bit down and then I'll go a little bit up. So where it takes a while to heat up, it's sort of saying that it's a bit stagnant, it doesn't have as much flow, it's like a thicker block of ice.
Hot.
It takes longer to melt.
Yeah.
But as we kind of work it more, it flows more and it heats up a lot quicker. It's got some packs of punch, doesn't it?
Yeah, jeez, it is. Whew, hot.
So we're going to go up a little.
I feel like up is... Oh,
I want to go around there a bit more.
hot. Yeah, I feel like it does, but it'll be interesting to see how long
Yeah.
if there's heat there. Hot. Hot. Whew.
So we're going to go up even more.
Yeah.
We might go down here a little bit too, see what's cooking.
Hot.
So yeah, it's something you can do at home. So I know there's people out there could kind of knock things like this and don't believe in it and thinks it's quackery or something like that. But I think I encourage people like that just to try things. Like don't knock things till you try it, and like just getting heat into a really specific spot. I've had lots of personal experience with doing it, and I've got lots of benefit out of it. So I kind of have just kept on doing it because it worked.
Yeah.
So
Hot.
yeah. So I'm going to come down into here, maybe between where the bones come together, meniscus type thing.
Yeah.
In there.
Hot.
So that's a bit quick. Fairly
Yeah.
Quick, yeah.
Interesting. Hot.
We'll do one more there,
Okay.
and then you tell me where you think you need
Hot.
a little bit more. Do you want any more anywhere else? Up higher?
Is that too far off?
No, you can do wherever you need.
Yeah, I reckon.
You just try it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can just try things into the fleshy parts of your body and see how it responds. You know, like traditional MOXA, they use the meridians, the acupressure points, but we're kind of just trying to be a bit more remedial and tuning in where the body feels like it's got pain or it's stuck, and just exploring that. But yeah, you can go and get MOXA done from.
That's pretty quick, wasn't it? Those.
Yeah. How's
I
it
thought
feeling?
Maybe it'd take a bit longer. Just nice and warm.
Yeah. Is there any other spots you feel like you want to? See the sticks going pretty well. It's go into your patella tendon here.
Yeah, that'd be good.
So you can do little things like that as well, like be intuitive, like along the patella tendon. Some people have got tendonitis and things like that, and it's just sort of scarred and irritated, and like some heat can really help get some flow, get some.
It's hot at the top there.
Yeah, it's up in there.
Hot. Whew. Hot. Hot. Seems like it's fairly hot, isn't it? I thought there'd be some more hot spots that would take a bit longer.
Got flow there.
It's great. Yeah, it feels good, Ninja. Yeah, it was more that kind of border, which we did. Yeah.
Right. Do you want to?
That actually already feels nicer to touch compared to before when I was showing Leo the areas.
Yeah.
Like just to palpate that now already feels less intense.
Yeah, so I just put that out. So really important that you snuff it out. I've got heaps of ash in here that I can not let any oxygen get onto it and puts it out, because like you can't. I've heard of people that burned a house or whatever with or wooden floorboards or something. So yeah, put it out because it gets really hot, and just make sure you got a good thick bowl that because I've shattered bowls before because just trying to put it out there, the heat just sort of just shatters. Like even ashtrays and things like that are meant to take heat, but they've just sort of smashed them. So yeah, we were thinking about doing some hands-on work, but you want to see how just MOXA goes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
I'm
reckon.
happy with that.
Yeah, let's do a little experiment and
good.
just see how MOXA by itself goes,
Cool.
and then Tash might be able to do a little bit of this on herself as well.
Yeah.
It's like with MOXA, it is not as intense. It's not going to disturb things as much, so you can probably do it more frequently than we can with our hands-on treatment. Because like when we really get in there, it takes time to settle down. Now we're trying to go in with compassion and without creating extra trauma. But you still it's unsettling, and it does take time to integrate, so to heal and things like that. So with heat treatment, it's not as intense.
Lovely.
I'd say.
So what do you reckon? Couple of days?
Yeah, maybe, and just sort of experiment with it. So when you feel like you want to do it, just have this in your toolkit and just do it. It's 5 minutes, and it's such an easy thing to do, and then just sort of monitor the results, and then you're going to have that knowledge going forward as well. Like when my knees are a bit grumpy and sticky and things like that, maybe I can just put a little bit of MOXA into it, some compression or things like that, and empower yourself by treating yourself and learning what it takes to make things better. So,
Exactly.
yeah.
Thanks,
Cool.
Ninj.
Awesome.
Thanks for your help.
Thank you. Done.
Cool.